The sun is up in Sunny Valley. And someone is already awake.
Beep beep. Good morning, everybody.
It's Tino, the little blue truck.
I'm Tino. What's your name? Wow, what a lovely name.
Tino loves making new friends.
I wonder what today will bring.
Listen. Do you hear that? Honk honk. The delivery truck is coming.
Mystery crates. Mystery crates are here.
Let's see what's inside today. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4 big crates.
4 crates. What could be inside?
Let's peek in the first crate.
Creak. I see something long and flat.
It's long and flat, like a big arm.
Is it a slide? Maybe not.
Here's a hint, friends. Birds have them too.
Birds have them? How interesting.
Now the second crate. Peek inside.
Ooh. Something round that spins and spins.
When it spins fast, it goes whir.
Whir. Whir. That tickles my ears.
What spins and helps things fly?
Fly? Did you say fly?
Time for the third crate. Peek.
I see a big belly like a bathtub.
This belly can hold lots of water.
Water? A bathtub with wings? Silly.
Last crate. Peek inside, everyone.
3 little wheels, small as cookies.
Wings, spinners, a water belly, little wheels. What do you think it is?
Is it a boat? Boats hold water.
Good guess. But boats can't fly.
Is it a bird? Birds have wings.
Good guess. But birds aren't machines. It flies, it scoops water, it helps stop fires.
I know. I know. A fire plane.
Yes. A fire plane. Did you guess it too?
Hooray! Let's build it together.
First, we need the frame.
The frame. The frame is like a body.
The frame is long, like a canoe.
Lift it up, careful, careful.
Ready? Push it into place.
Snap! The frame is on.
Hooray for the frame. Great job.
We did it. High five, everyone.
Now it's time for the little wheels.
Little wheels. Fire planes have 3 little wheels.
Let's count them together. Ready?
Here comes the first little wheel.
1. 1 little wheel under the nose.
Snap! Wheel 1 is on.
Here comes the next little wheel.
2. 2 little wheels now.
Snap! Wheel 2 is on.
1 more little wheel to go.
3. 3 little wheels all together.
Snap! Wheel 3 is on.
How many little wheels? Count with me.
1, 2, 3. 3 little wheels.
3 little wheels. Wonderful counting.
Roll, 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 little wheels.
Next comes the cabin.
The cabin. That's where the pilot sits.
The cabin has big windows to see the sky.
Lower it down, gently, gently.
Push. Snap. The cabin is on.
The cabin looks so cozy.
Clap, clap. What a beautiful cabin.
Now for the special parts.
First special part, the water scoop belly.
The water scoop belly. Like a big spoon.
The scoop belly drinks up lake water. Slurp.
Slurp, slurp. That's so funny.
Slide it under the frame, push.
Snap. The water scoop belly is on.
Hooray! What a splendid scoop.
Next come the big wings.
The big wings help the plane fly high.
One big wing on this side, snap.
One big wing on the other side, snap.
Two big wings. They're so wide.
The big wings are ready to fly.
Last part, the twin propellers.
Twin propellers. Twin means two the same.
Two spinny propellers, just alike.
One propeller on the left wing, snap.
One propeller on the right wing, snap.
The twin propellers spin. Whir, whir.
Whir, whir. Spin, propellers, spin.
Look, everyone. We built it all.
Frame, three little wheels, cabin.
Scoop belly, big wings, twin propellers.
We built a fire plane. We did it.
Wait, the plane is waking up.
Hello, hello. I'm Splash, the fire plane. Hi, Splash. I'm Tino. We built you.
But look. Splash has no color yet. Time to paint. What color should Splash be?
Blue. Let's paint Splash green.
Green? Let's try it and see.
Roll, roll, roll goes the paint roller.
Oh my. A green fire plane?
Hee hee. Splash looks like a pickle.
Do fire planes look like pickles? No.
Silly me. Green is not right.
What color are fire planes, friends? Take a guess.
Red. Fire planes are red.
Yes. Red is just right.
Wash off the green, splish splash.
Now roll on the shiny red paint.
Red on the wings. Red on the tail.
Red on the cabin and the scoop belly.
Red, red, red. So beautiful.
Splash sparkles like a red strawberry.
Red is perfect for a fire plane.
All done. Time for a test adventure. Splash rolls onto the runway.
Thank you for building me, Tino. You're welcome, Splash. Where shall we go?
Look. Here comes a little bee, buzzing sadly.
What's wrong, little bee?
The bee's flower field is dry and thirsty. No rain has fallen for days and days.
Don't worry. Making rain is my special job. Splash can scoop water and make rain. Propellers, spin. Whir, whir.
Splash zooms down the runway. Faster, faster.
Wheels up. Splash is flying. Whee! I love the big blue sky.
There's the sparkly lake below.
Time to scoop. Down, down, down I go.
Splash skims the water like a duck.
Slurp. My scoop belly is drinking. Slurp, slurp. Fill that belly up.
The scoop belly is full of water.
Up, up, up. To the flower field.
There's the dry field. Look at the flowers.
Let's count the droopy flowers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 thirsty flowers. They need water. Here comes the rain. Belly doors, open.
Whoosh! The water falls like gentle rain.
It's raining. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter.
The 5 flowers drink and drink. Look! The flowers are standing up tall.
Pink and yellow and purple. So pretty.
The little bee does a happy dance.
Buzz, buzz. You're welcome, little bee. Hooray for Splash. You made the rain.
Splash lands softly on 3 little wheels. Quiz time. Put on your thinking caps.
I love quiz time.
Question 1. What did we build today? Take your time.
A fireplane. We built a fireplane. That's me. A fireplane.
Question 2. How many little wheels does Splash have? Count in your head, slowly.
1, 2, 3. 3 little wheels.
3 little wheels. Amazing counting. Last question. What color is Splash? Look closely, think.
Red. Splash is red. Red like a strawberry.
You got them all. Cheer for yourself.
Hip hip hooray. You're so smart. Great job, everyone.
The sun is setting in Sunny Valley.
What a wonderful day, Splash. I found a home and new friends.
Splash will stay in Sunny Valley Workshop.
Tomorrow we'll fly again, Splash. Good night, Tino. Good night, friends.
Thank you for building with us today.
Bye-bye, friends. See you in Sunny Valley. See you in Sunny Valley.
Good night, little builders. See you in Sunny Valley.